Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Belinda here from Visualized NZ, and I'm super thrilled to let you know that I am on the design team for Rach and Bella Crafts. Super excited to be accepted onto that team with a lovely bunch of very talented ladies who make me feel like I'm a newbie. Like their items that they create are just so wonderful, so beautiful. But I just wanted to do a quick little share with you of this digital that I'm working with for my July project. This is Shades of Spring from Rach and Bella Crafts on Etsy. I will be linking Rach and Bella on Instagram, YouTube and Etsy down in the description box. So if you want to check out this kit or any of their other printables or things that they have in their shop, their YouTube or Instagram, then you can find that in the description box. So let's have a look at this beautiful kit, Shades of Spring. So this is the title page, and I printed it out because I thought there's bits here that would be really lovely to use as collage, and it makes a nice presentation for you guys to see as well. So we have a beautiful collage style papers featuring birds and florals and text, and it's just, the color palette is really pretty. I'm just really digging these soft pastel-y colors, just gorgeous. And then we have a more less busy, shall I say, layout where we've got our florals, our birds in the middle, and space here where you could write. This paper with beautiful irises and crocuses. Love these beautiful, looks like vintage wallpaper or something in the background. Just absolutely stunning. Another collage style page. These birds are so cute. And I love the text. I just in love with different fonts and text. It just really draws my eye. Another more background page that you can write on, and it has actually got writing lines through it as well, which is super helpful to use as a writing page. Really good as a backing page as well. And beautiful, just beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to, I haven't dug into it yet, as you can tell, it's still all intact. But I'm really looking forward to having a play with these. And then we've got this vertical oriented one. Just, this is stunning. An old stamp there. Looks like it's either French or Italian or something, I would add a guess, I would say. Another more background page. Some music on it. And just the colours. Aren't you just in love with the colours? So pretty, so delicate. And then we have the ephemera pages. Again, a lot to play with here, featuring the birds and the florals and the text and just all sorts of goodness going on here. This is one I printed it the wrong way round. My printer was having a bit of a moment, so this is the proper page, and then this is the page that just printed the wrong orientation. So I've got a couple of double ups there, which I'm not upset about. Some birds, fussy cut birds, and they've got a really cool outline around them, just in like a pale beige, which makes them super easy to cut round. Lots of pretty birds and lots of labels and fun bits and pieces. This is really pretty. And some flower fussy cuts, again with that slight border to make it easier to cut round. Pretty blossom there. And more flowers. Always happy to have more flowers in my selection. These fun faux stamps, again with the flowers and the birds. Super pretty, super useful. And some quotes. Is that the, no, it's not quite the last page. Yeah, some really good fun quotes, and all about sort of spring, spring sort of themed quotes, and then words down the bottom here is a lot of variety of words to use. And then we have, last but not least, a couple of pockets, or envelopes actually, they're envelopes, really beautifully collaged up and pretty. So that is the kit, Shades of Spring from Rach and Bella Crafts. I'm really looking forward to doing a project with this. I'll let you know it's not going to be a journal, not for this one. But I've got something in mind, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it works, because I haven't tried it. So that's it for now, just a short wee video, and I will pop up another video soon of the project. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Bye for now.